Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a file dialog using Python on the command line. So this will allow the user to select one or more files, but we'll just do one file for now. The first thing you're going to want to do is install these libraries. If you're on Windows, make sure to install Windows Curses. If you are on Linux, omit this last part, so you only install the correct library. Once again, you're going to need a text editor and a terminal. Visual Studio Code has both. This is just a basic template for a curses environment, so everything inside this main function is in the curses environment. So let's actually write the dialog. cursesplus.file dialog dot, let's do open file. Just one. Open files does many. And once again, it's asking for std script. And the title, what file do you want? And for filters, you don't need to have this. The default one is all files allowed, but let's say that only Python files are allowed. And then it's always good to have an extra filter, just in case the user is trying to import a file that doesn't have the right extension. Continue on the directory, setting it to the current working directory, that's fine, but you can change it to the one you want. And lastly, allow cancel is true. You can turn that off if you want. And let's assign that to a variable, so we can actually see what file the user chose. Let's call that f. And down at the bottom, I will add some more code to show a message box that will show what file the user. So let's go ahead and run it. And you see, it's immediately prompting you for files. And I have a lot of weird directories here in my scripts folder. You can press H for help, and that will all the different key bindings you can use. Sorry, let's go to plain game. This is a pretty old project that I have. It has lots of files. And as you can see, only installer.py. So look, that's the only Python file. And we can change the filter by pressing F. We can do all files. So now all the files will appear. And let's switch it back to Python. And choose installer.py by pressing Enter. And you can see the message box pops up. So that's how you can make a basic file dialog with Python. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this educational.